Yeah.
Brian Drapp, because I understand boat and motors covered by NADA, but what or how do you price out extras like electronics or accessories that he's added to the boat that he's trading in?
So it does. Let's say you're bringing in. Let's do. So I just brought in a used Nautique. So it does get extra value versus, two tower speakers versus four. It adds value. If they added underwater lights, dual screen versus single screens, so that does give it value. Those things are looked at, and does add to the value of the boat. Also, so if you brought in a 21 Legacy and you had a trolling motor on it and a Lowrance, that definitely, there's actually a screen we go through that asks you those things and how the boat's equipped. So it's very transparent with you. And we'll check trolling motor, Lowrance, does it have, a T-top versus canvas or bimini. So all those things we right there with the customer with you, we check off, and you do get those things do go into the evaluation of the boat for sure.